Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to holster your weapon in Apex Legends on PC so you can move faster. First, by default, the holster weapon key on PC is 3. Just press 3 and your legend will put their weapon away. When your weapon is holstered, you can run slightly faster, which is great for rotating, escaping fights, or chasing enemies. To pull your weapon back out, just press 1 or 2 to equip the weapon. If your key doesn't work, you can change it. What you have to do is press escape, go to settings, click on mouse and keyboard, scroll down on the keybinds till you find holster weapon. Change the key to any key that feels comfortable for you. And that's all there is to it. Holstering your weapon is a small tip, but it can make a big difference in movement and survival. And that is how you holster your weapon in Apex Legends on PC.